All right, I think I've got everything packed to go out on the boat. I don't know. Cooler that has drinks, beverages, food, and even fish bait. Just all in there together. It is bagged separately, I promise. Already put the lotion on the skin, the sunscreen. I got glasses, hat, snacks, of course. Got some snacks, a shirt, because I'm probably going to get fried. And yeah, I think that's it. I don't know how the hell I'm going to take that big ass cooler. Probably have to get some help. Coffee. That's what I was forgetting. Oh, that's hot as fuck. A beer would never do that.